Hey, in this video, I will show you how to do the flicker effect in CapCut, just like so, where you have this motion. It's very simple. So just slap the like button and let's start. It will help me out. So what you want to do is go on the bottom section, click on add text, and all you need to do is type one period, one dot. That's it. So when you have this one dot, normally it's pretty small, right? I've already zoomed it in. So let me just fix the style. So normally it will look just like this, right? Just one dot. So what you want to do is pinch in until it covers the whole screen, until the whole screen is only white, just like so. Do you see it? Okay, perfect. This is exactly how it has to look like. Then you want to click on style at the bottom. And do you see the opacity? You want to lower that to 15. We're at 15 right now. Then you want to click on animation and find flicker. It is in loop right here. We want to click on flicker and look at this. Beautiful. That's how we do it. We have it set up exactly the way we want it to. It's very simple. If you want to ask a question, use the comment section down below. I try to reply to every single comment. Like the video if you help you out, and subscribe for future videos. Bye.